in. An Indigo flight en route from Delhi to Goa was forced to make an emergency landing at the Mumbai airport yesterday after engine issues were reported mid-air. A spokesperson for Indigo has confirmed that flight 6E6271, which was headed to the Manohar International Airport in Goa, was diverted to the Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj International Airport in Mumbai following standard operating procedures. The aircraft had 191 people on board. It safely landed in Mumbai around 9:53 p.m. last night. An official has disclosed that the pilot declared a pan notification, which is basically an urgent message indicating non-life threatening emergency due to a malfunction in engine number 1. The airline, however, termed the reason for the diversion to be a technical glitch. Indigo has also stated that the aircraft will undergo all necessary checks and maintenance before resuming operations, even as an alternate aircraft was arranged for the passengers. My colleague Mendi Garg with us on the broadcast live this morning. Mendi, quite the ordeal being reported, this time with an Indigo flight that was headed to Goa.
Well, indeed, Pia, it is very concerning because Indigo flight from Delhi to Goa landed in Mumbai amidst a full emergency after one of engines failed, as per Indigo officials as well. And the sources also say Pia, that the aircraft landed at 9:42 p.m. at Mumbai's Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj International Airport after the pilot had raised an alarm at 9:25 p.m. and landed the plane safely. One of the major things is that all the passengers who were traveling in this flight from Delhi to Goa are safe and they were landed safely at the Mumbai airport. But Indigo spokesperson have said that technical snag was detected on flight 6E6271 while it was on its way from Delhi to Manohar International Airport in Goa. And also, it has been said officially by the spokesperson Pia that the following procedures: the aircraft was diverted and landed at Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj International Airport. And the official also further added Pia that an alternative aircraft was arranged for while the aircraft underwent necessary checks and also maintenance before resuming the operation. So, an official statement from the Indigo have also came where, they have mentioned that the regret is inconvenience caused to the customers due to the unforeseen situation. And the Indigo, the safety and the security of the customers is their primary focus of the crew and aircraft as well is the utmost importance. So the that have been come from Indigo as well.